Come over here.
Do a video like this.
Are you,
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh man.
did you get some paint on your hand?
Yes.
Let me see. Come here.
Me
It's
too.
okay. Here's your tissue on there.
What are you supposed to be, Charlie? Daisy, what are you?
Just like
A
a
butterfly.
You're a butterfly?
You're okay. It didn't come off, Charlie. It just came off.
Let me see, Daisy.
Yeah, Daisy's a butterfly. Charlie's just like a decorative face.
They're not going to sleep with this, are they?
Oh no.
It looks like I'm going to masquerade ball.
Yes.
Yeah, I look like I'm going to. I'm going to That's how you do like a video view.
Yeah.
I can actually do some cool moves.
Daisy. Are you a butterfly, Daisy?
Yeah, I'm look like I'm nothing. I can do a butterfly.
Do a dance.
That's my disco roll.
What's that?
This is my disco.
Disco roll.
It's like I'm spinning like a disco. I can do it in back.
You're good.
Is that a jumping jack, Charlie?
That's when I
It's hard. Out.
and up.
In. You go. Yeah. Out. Yeah.
And
Here, we'll do this. Practice with your legs first. Ready? Keep them together. Out.
and
And then in.
out
Now with your arms, you go out,
and
in. You try to do it together now with your legs and arms. Out, in. Legs and hands together. Like this. Like a pencil.
I want to do
Ready?
it. I want
Ready?
to do it.
Out. That's it. You did it. In. Out. In. Out. In.
Hey,
Out.
don't hurt your
No, you're
hand.
backwards. You're doing it so fast you got backwards. You got it though. Okay, just start this. Always start slow.